Zimbabwe's constitutional debate reveals a deeper struggle between historical legitimacy and a new generation demanding its own voice. Zarabina mashoko abuda panguva inochinzi, when generals speak, the whole nation will listen. Then go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Ramubda Nikomchinzi, political and security analysts specialize in governance, constitutional politics, and security affairs. On the 12th of November 2017, the generals spoke, and many people laughed them off, with Professor Jonathan Moyo writing on Twitter saying, Vano Wukura Isusu Takati Zete Zwedu. What followed in public knowledge and now in the history of books. This week, a group of generals again raised their voice against the manipulation of the constitution, and it seems no one is taking them serious. Zimbabwe's constitutional debate has entered a revealing new phase. What began as a parliamentary consultation process has now evolved into a broader national controversy following the submission of a petition by a group of retired military generals and senior government officials. The petition was presented to Parliament by Henry Muchena, a Liberation War veteran whose birth name is Jabulani Mahlangu. While the submission itself concerns constitutional questions currently under national discussion, public reaction has increasingly shifted away from the arguments contained in the petition and towards personal criticism directed at the men who delivered it. This shift raises an important democratic question. When Parliament invites citizens to submit their views, should these views be debated on their merits, or should the individuals presenting them become targets of personal attack? The meaning of parliamentary consultation. In any constitutional democracy, parliamentary consultation exists for a clear purpose: to gather perspectives from the citizens whose lives are governed by the government. When legislature invites public submissions, it acknowledges that constitutional governance cannot exist in isolation from the people. Citizens, institutions, veterans, academics, and civil actors all form part of the national conversation. Public submissions are not endorsements of policy positions, they are contributions to debate. Once Parliament opens that process, participation cannot be selectively discouraged without undermining the credibility of the consultation itself. Toma developments are kubuda panguva ino. Mina comment section medu zafungura ema tulipa msiri pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.